A former Minneapolis police officer has appeared before court. Derek Chauvin is charged with second-degree murder and manslaughter for pressing his knee into Floyd's neck for more than 8 minutes. He could be released as he awaits trial, although bail without condition has been set at $1.25 million, or over €1 million. The judge told Chauvin to have no contact with the family of George Floyd and that he must surrender any guns and that he must not leave the state. Our reporter Andy Rosejean sent us this report from outside the courthouse in Minneapolis.
A very quick court appearance on Monday for former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin here at this boarded-up, barricaded courthouse. But Chauvin did not appear physically in this building. He appeared by a video link from the maximum security prison where he's being held. And this was a very dry hearing. He simply answered perfunctory questions, confirming his name and address and that he understood the charges against him. He showed no emotion, and he wore handcuffs and had a mask on. The judge set bail at over $1 million, he said, to ensure that Chauvin couldn't get out and possibly flee. Now, there were no members of George Floyd's family members here inside the courtroom. They are preparing for his Tuesday funeral in Houston. And Chauvin's next court appearance is now set for June 29th. In the meantime, a lot of people here in Minneapolis are talking about the city council talking about disbanding and defunding the police department. They say they're tired of pouring over $200 million into the police department and getting what we saw on that videotape. But the mayor of Minneapolis says although he supports a top-to-bottom overhaul of the police department, he says disbanding the department entirely would be a bridge too far. He's against that. Now, the city council is not explaining any specifics, details of how they would replace the police department. That could take over a year to map out.